Ndewo. Aha m bụ Ụgbọ Oyibo. Kedu ka ị mere? Today we talk about the Igbo language essentials. Okay? All right. Come. Come. Come means bịa, 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 bịa. All right? Good. Go. Go means pụọ, 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 pụọ. Okay? Good. Here. Here means ebe a, ebe a, ebe a, ebe a. All right? Good. Today. Today means taa, taa, taa. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means echi, echi, echi. Okay? Good. Welcome. Welcome means ndewo, ndewo, ndewo. Okay? Good. Food. Food means nri, nri, nri. Okay? All right. Water. Water means mmiri, mmiri, mmiri. Good. Please. Please means biko, biko, biko. Okay? Good. Give me. Give me means nem, 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 nem. Get me. Get me means wetaram, wetaram, wetaram. Okay? Take. Take means were, were, were. Okay? Good. All right then. Let's do a recap. Come. We said it means bia, bia, bia. Okay? Good. What about go? Do you remember? Yes. Go means what? 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 Good. Here. Here means eba, eba, eba. Okay? Good. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means echi, echi, echi. Today. Taa, taa, taa. Okay? Welcome. Welcome means ndewo, ndewo. Welcome. Ndewo. All right? Good. Please. Please means biko, biko, biko. Good. Food. Food means nri, nri, nri. Okay? Good. Water. Water means mmiri, mmiri, mmiri. Good. Give me. Give me means nem, 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 nem. Get me. Get me means wetaram, wetaram, wetaram. Good. Take. Take means where, take abi, where take. All right then. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like it. Remember, if you like my videos, give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below and see you next time. Okay?